हमारे बीच जैसा कि आपको मालूम होगा कि दिस इवेंट हैज बीन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय ओवरसीज फ्रेंड्स ऑफ बीजेपी along with Indo-American Kashmir Forum and other Indian-American community. Let me invite Mr. Lalit Kaul, President of Indo-American Kashmir Forum, to speak in front of you. In front of you.
वीडियो पर शुरू है।
नमस्कार। जैसे डॉक्टर प्रसाद ने कहा, आई ऑल थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर कमिंग हियर टुडे एंड हेल्पिंग अस propagate our cause, because this is not just our cause, this is a cause of India. Like I was just reading this morning, Abe Lincoln said union has to be preserved, and that is what we believe in. Indian union has to be preserved. Negotiation with terrorists, negotiation with stone pelters, where you call them stone pelters, they are today stone pelters, they will be killers tomorrow. Yes. They are just interns. As far as I consider them, they are interns right now getting ready to be killers tomorrow. And today the sad fact is this government of India is giving them 5 lakhs for coming out and killing our CRPF soldiers. Shame! That's a shame on part of the government of India, that instead of putting them behind the bars and dealing with the secessionists and separatists, they are encouraging them by giving them doles and doles and doles. I was just reading, I have it in front with me today. Till date, in last 20 years, government of India has spent 80,000 crores of rupees on J&K. 80,000 crores, out of which 30,000 crores is just planned expenditure, 40,000, 50,000 crores is just PM packages.
And whose money is that?
That's our Indian taxpayer money.
Our money.
And the worst part I have not yet told you. Worst part is, as far as Comptroller Auditor General's report says, 71,000 crores of rupees out of those 80,000 crore rupees is unaccounted for. Yeah. 71,000 out of 80,000 crores is unaccounted for. Yeah. And we keep giving them doles and doles and doles. As recent as last week, there is another 8-point program, out of which every stone pelter, so-called stone pelter, I don't call them stone pelters, they are terrorists. Whether they are 5-year-olds or 11-year-olds or 31-year-olds, they are terrorists in training. And they are getting paid 5 lakh rupees per person. And it is not that only government of India is paying them. They are paid by LET from across the border as well. As we know, we have suffered it for the last 20 years, and this is the point that we have to now stand up and stop it. We just cannot let it happen. It is not, for all your kind information, it is not that jihad that was 20 years ago, or that freedom fight that was 20 years ago. 20 years ago it was supported and aided by Pakistan, still managed by local people. But today, local people, so-called Hurriyat as well as Jilani Sahab, they have totally lost control of this movement, and it is today an intifada against government of India. It is an intifada against government of India, and government of India has to step up and put all these terrorists behind bars and stop any negotiation with them. There is no point negotiation with terrorists. We don't negotiate with terrorists. Terrorists have to be behind the bars. If we have to talk, we will talk to common people in Kashmir, but not with terrorists. We will not talk to terrorists.
Don't talk to terrorists.
Those terrorists who have killed my mother, who have killed our daughters and raped our daughters, we will not talk to them.
Shame!
Our mothers and daughters were raped. They were cut on a saw. Their labat was cut on a saw. I cannot forget that. And how can Dr. Manmohan Singh propose autonomy to the state which already has Article 370?
Shame! Manmohan Singh!
Only state in India which has special privileges, special status, and we keep giving them more and more and more, and they keep killing us. This has to stop, and stop now. If we have to save India, we have to save Kashmir. This has to stop now. Dr. Manmohan Singh, are you listening?